Today we're going to do an open box of PROBOX2 Air. Hey, how you doing, everyone? Once again, this is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and what we got today we have another great open box. Almost like every week now we have a lot of open box. This time the PROBOX2 Air. So this looks pretty interesting box. So we're gonna have a double camera. So we see here and the other camera here. So we got the PROBOX2 Air Android TV box here. It'll run, and this is a dual, right? It runs 2.4 and 5.8, Bluetooth 4.0. So you got dual band. It runs 2GB system RAM, DDR3, and then 16GB flash RAM. That will be for all your applications. Amlogic S905X. So let's check this up. Looks pretty interesting. So let's see what we get. Make sure we have all the cameras going, and it looks real nice, as we see here. Let's make sure we get the top of the camera. Pretty heavy though. It weighs 190 grams. It's feel heavy. So let's see, we got this, and get this into the side. So let's see what else we get. Make sure I'm on the right camera. And we get two manuals. I mean, I was surprised. This is the first time I see a manual. They're pretty much clean, not like the ones we have seen before. Let me put this back. It seems to be pretty clean manual, how to start, how you set up everything. Okay, we see it right there. Looks pretty good. So it's nice and clean manual. I was surprised. And then here we have another manual too. See the camera for the remote control. And you said, David, what do you mean for the remote control? So check this out. So we get the box. Say this. We put this into the side. Put this right over here. And let's see what else what we get. So to start off, we get the normal, as we see before, the remote control. Okay, make sure we see that another camera. So that's the standard remote control. We put that into the side. HDMI cable, the old box has that too. And this is extra. It's pretty interesting. And I thought I'm missing something here. Okay, so here we got the antenna. So my guessing will be better to get reception. So we have to try this as an open box. So we see now what it looks like. Put this way. And now we have this extra remote control. Right there. We see real nice. This is for games. This is nice because it comes with the adapter. So the idea is now we plug this here, the adapter. This one we don't have to use anymore, because this one, the problem has, you have to actually point it right to the box. And now we have this nice remote control, and actually here it's like a game controller. So you press it, and now you can use it this way. You can use it for, and look, the camera, the other camera, we can use it this way. So you can use it this way to browse your applications. But what is nice now, you can activate this as a game controller, and you can use this key. So this is the first time it comes with a 2 remote control. Let's see, it requires, I will think, like AAA batteries or AA or AAA, two batteries. I have to try this box. I didn't boot it up this box at all. Remember, I always do 3 parts of the video. This will be the open box. Then we're gonna do a full configuration and the full review of the box. I just received this week. Okay, so it looks pretty interesting to start off. I like the box, the way it looks. Pretty heavy. We're going to compare it to another box right in a second. We have the extra, the remote control. Now we can use it for game player. So we got A, B, C there. We can use it for game player. Okay. And also we have the regular one to control. But I guess one, you plug that in. I will use this for everything. Like I said, it's dual band. So we got 2.4 and 5.8. Bluetooth 4.0 to use any control. We're going to try all the controllers in that. SD card. We have a Bluetooth here, one connection Bluetooth. We have here the fiber optic output, so you can connect it to your stereo. RJ45 for your Ethernet connection if you want a hardwire. HDMI output. Extra USB. Okay. And the 5 volts. I don't have it here. The 5-volt power supply. And then also the power supply, that is a little different. I forgot to take out of the boxes. I was opening the box before and I forgot to put it in. So this one, a little different than the regular power supplies. It's smaller, kind of nice. Okay. Same plug-in. I think it's a 5mm. So a little different than any other box I've been seeing. So it seems to be done a very good job on it. Now we got to see running, right? Let's see how that works. Let me show you how big this thing it is. So we can see it's 4 inches by 4 inches, and it's about half inch. Yeah, half inch thickness. Like I said, it weighs 190 grams, so it's pretty heavy. But I want you to compare to the MSQ Pro we got right there. I always like to use MSQ Pro because that's the one everybody uses. That's the way it looks, huh? Very different, right? So this way, not with the antenna. There's a big difference. All right, so looks pretty cool. So make sure you check up. About in a week, I will have the full review of the box and how to configure this nice little device. So this was the open box of the PROBOX2 Air running Android 6.0. So hey, make sure you, if you're not part of the channel, make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment, and click a like. I'll see you next time. Bye.